In 1815, a volcanic eruption in Indonesia led to the Year Without a Summer. Crops failed and people faced famine. But did you know this event inspired Mary Shelley to write Frankenstein? As the skies darkened, she and her friends gathered in a Swiss villa, challenged to write ghost stories. Shelley's tale of a scientist creating life from death was born from this eerie summer. How often does a natural disaster spark literary genius? This story reminds us that even in darkness, creativity can flourish, leaving a lasting impact on culture and imagination.